Moon Read-Along. Today, we are going to read about the moon together. If you would like, you can download the moon lesson plan from our website, learnbright.org, before we get started. Ready? Let's blast off! What is the moon? The moon is a big, round rock. It orbits or moves around Earth in a circle. Moon comes from an old word that means to measure. Long ago, people used the moon to track time. It was like a big clock. How far away is the moon? The moon is very far away from Earth. In fact, it is about 238,855 miles away. Driving a car to the moon would take you more than 5 months. That's silly. You can't drive a car in space. What does it look like? The moon sometimes looks close, but it is really far away. The moon is round like a ball. Some parts are smooth. Some parts are bumpy. It looks bright in the sky. It shines like a light bulb in the dark. The moon does not make its own light. The sun shines on the moon. That's why we can see it. The moon is mostly a gray color. It has lots of holes called craters. How did the Earth get the moon? A long time ago, a giant rock hit Earth. The crash sent pieces of Earth flying into space. Over time, those pieces came together and formed the moon. This happened more than 4 billion years ago. Who has been on the moon? In 1969, humans walked on the moon. Their names were Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. They were astronauts from the United States. They went to the moon in a spaceship. It was called Apollo 11. Only 10 other people have ever visited the moon. Why do people go to the moon? Astronauts go to the moon to learn about space. They study the rocks. Scientists want to know more about the moon. Maybe people will live on the moon one day. Fun facts. Let's look at 5 fun facts about the moon. 1. The moon has no air. 2. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you weigh about 17 pounds on the moon. 3. You can jump 6 times higher on the moon than on Earth. 4. The moon has moonquakes, just like earthquakes on Earth. 5. You can only see one side of the moon. Why it looks different sometimes. The moon doesn't always look the same. Sometimes it looks like a big silver ball. Other times it looks like a small curve. The moon moves around Earth. We see it from different angles. The light from the sun makes it seem to change shapes. The shapes are called moon phases. Does the moon affect Earth? The moon helps the ocean tides. Tides are the rise and fall of the ocean. The moon's gravity pulls on the water. The tides are low tide and high tide. Have you been to the beach? When you see lots of sand, that's low tide. When the water covers the beach, that's high tide. Do you want to live on the moon? We plan to send more people to the moon. We want to build a space station there. Maybe one day you will get to visit the moon too. Thanks for reading with us today. See you next time.
Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.